In this question we are given that in a certain fraction the denominator is greater than the numerator. So let's write down the information first. So let's assume the fraction to be of the form n by d. It is given that the denominator is 16 greater than the numerator. That means that we can write the denominator as 16 plus n. We are also given that the fraction is equivalent to 80%. That means we can write n by d is equal to 80%. We have to find the value of d. Now this is all the information that we can gather from the question. So we now move on to step 2. Now from the equation which we deduced from the question, we can write n by d as n by n plus 16. And 80% can be written as 80 by 100. So 0 gets cancelled and this can be written as n by n plus 16 is equal to 4 by 5. We now move on to step 3, which is the calculation. Now we have n by n plus 16 is equal to 4 by 5. Cross multiplying the numbers, we get 5n is equal to 4n plus 16 times 4 is 64. Subtracting 4n from both sides, we have 5n minus 4n is equal to 4n plus 64 minus 4n. Now 4n gets cancelled and on the right hand side we get n is equal to 64. Now a lot of you might end up marking option B as the answer, which is incorrect, since here we have to find the value of d, which is equal to 16 plus n. So after substituting the value of n, we get 16 plus 64, which is equal to 80. Thus the correct answer is option D.